so excited.
Now that looks amazing.
You did it. Come on, princess.
Shut up. Gabby, look.
I'm gonna go and then you're gonna go.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I'm glowing.
I'm wanting half.
It's gonna be cold.
Yes, don't be cold.
And
You can stand here. Yeah. It's like Mac.
Right.
Okay, read me over.
No, it's okay once you're in. It just feels cold because you've been sleeping on a warm bed.
It's not, trust.
Go in. And I'm going to grab you. When you get in, I'm going to grab you and show you a special trick.
Okay, come on.
Yeah, go.
I'm right here with you.
You'll love it.
Let everyone else
Skip, I'm right here. No, it's not cool. I won't make you fall. No, it's okay.
All right, so listen up now. All right, so listen up now, guys. Guys in the water. So you guys in the water, you guys can't stay in one spot too long. If you guys stay in one spot too long, you guys are going to disturb the mud at the bottom. So the mud at the bottom is going to come to the top. So swim to the front of the boat and get it brighter again. And remember now, guys, we have other boats moving inside here. Yeah, man, boats moving far from your boat.
Here you go.
Here, come on. Do you want to hold on to me? Okay.
Yeah, go on.
That's the way to do it.
Good job, Angie.
As soon as we get in, move your arms. Watch it flow.
Dunk your head, dunk your head.
Look.
Wow.
Hey, Gibson, look over here. Oh, we're going. We just have to wait for them to come in. Move your arm while you're doing it. Look. Atticus, there's only 3 places in the world that this happens. Here. And then on the other side of the world.
Atticus, come with me. Come with me.
Errol, do you have an iPhone? Can you take our picture? I can.
Luminous Lagoon in the world, and it is.
Lena, can you do a video of me getting in? Sure.
What do you want me to do with your phone?
Just set it on the table somewhere. So just video, don't not
The mud doesn't go more than, it won't go
Keep
more
this
than
video.
say, 3 or 4 inches. and it comes off your feet really easy. Your feet. You must give them the phone.
Can you make a video of us?
Yeah, man, sure. Adonis.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Don't worry when the water is warm.
Just
It's not getting hurt.
It's so squishy.
No bacteria is in the water.
You're doing it. Look, you're doing it. Oh my god. There is like slimy stuff towards the bottom, so keep your feet up. Yeah, just float.
Sand.
I can't. I cannot. I'm mushing my way.